Step 11 is entering responsibilities. In this section, you can enter the names of any responsibility your company may need. So what responsibilities may you need? Well, depending on the sites you work at, the size of your company, and the type of business you are will determine your responsibilities. But you will need responsibilities such as safety officer, fire wardens, first aid officers, health and safety representatives, etc. If you have multiple sites, then you will need to enter responsibilities for each and every site, and depending on the site's emergency scenarios. The best thing to do is identify your emergency scenarios as well as look up your industry body's information or your state's work cover or Safe Work website and learn what responsibilities you will need for your type of business and the sites you work at. So let's enter a responsibility. Again, the responsibility register can be found in the Policy and Planning section. Like every other register, you add a responsibility in the top right-hand corner. You're simply entering the responsibility name, relating it to a site, putting a review date to review this responsibility, and then this is the person who's responsible to review the responsibility, but this is the person who is actually responsible for the responsibility itself. For an example, if this was first aid officer, this person here is responsible to review that this responsibility is still valid, but this is the person who is actually responsible to be the first aid officer. Select Submit. It will go into your responsibility register, but it will also link to your emergency procedure section, as mentioned previously. So if I select the View button here, you'll see any responsibilities that have been related to the site of WA will highlight the people that you selected in the responsibility register. The same occurs for the emergency equipment that you've actually related during your emergency procedure process to a certain site. After you've actually watched this video, please select the Next button to take you step by step through how to enter a responsibility.